Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy. In this pharmacy competitive examination revision point of view, today we are going to discuss about the 5 important multiple choice type questions from belladonna from tropane alkaloids. The first question is deadly nightshade plant is related to dash Hyoscyamus niger, Atropa belladonna, Datrostomanium and none of the above. Okay, so here the synonym is the deadly nightshade. So we know all the synonyms from these 4 options. For example, Hyoscyamus niger is called as henbane, Atropa belladonna is called as deadly nightshade leaves, Datrostomanium is called as angel's trumpet, but the none of the above, it is not the correct answer. So we have discussed the 4 synonyms. So now the correct answer is deadly nightshade plant is related to Atropa belladonna. It is the correct answer. Okay, so dear friends, all of you prepare well about the synonyms and biological names and name of the drug for all drugs. The second question is Atropa belladonna or Atropa acuminata belongs to the family Apocynaceae, Solanaceae, Lauraceae and Rutaceae. So already we had studied in tropane alkaloids the belladonna, datura and hyoscyamus. These 3 drugs are the familiar one. These 3 drugs are coming under Solanaceae family. For example, Atropa acuminata, Atropa belladonna, Datrostomanium, Hyoscyamus niger, etc. Okay. In Apocynaceae family, Vincaroceae. In Lauraceae family, cinnamon and cinchona. In Rutaceae family, pectin. So the correct answer is Atropa belladonna, Atropa acuminata belonging to Solanaceae family. Okay. That is the correct answer for this question. Then the next question is question number 3. Which one of these type of stomata is present in belladonna leaves? Anisocytic stomata, anomocytic stomata, cruciferous stomata and none of the above. Here the first one is indicating the unequal celled stomata. Then the second one is indicating the irregular celled stomata, and the third one also indicating the unequal celled stomata, but the cells will be maximum in number. Then fourth one, none of the above. That is not the correct answer. So the correct answer will be the first one, anisocytic stomata. So dear friends, dear students and dear viewers, you all should study about the familiar drugs and its different types of stomata. Here the anisocytic stomata, it is coming under Solanaceae family and some other family. Okay, so that is present in belladonna leaves. Okay, then the question number 4. Indian belladonna contain alkaloid dash atropine, strychnine, cephalin and narcotin. Okay, so today we are studying about only belladonna. So in belladonna the familiar constant is atropine. So in Indian belladonna the familiar constant is atropine. That is the tropane alkaloid. Okay, so tropane alkaloid we know already. Pyrrolidine ring fused with piperidine. Okay, these are the 2 fused rings. Okay, piperidine ring fused with pyrrolidine ring. These 2 structures will be connected by N-methyl group. Okay, so our question is Indian belladonna contain alkaloid is atropine, strychnine from Nux omega, cephalin from Cephalosporin cunha, narcotin from another drug, narcotic analgesics. The correct answer is atropine from Atropa belladonna. Then the 5th question is Phytolacea americana is the adulterant of dash digitalis leaves, belladonna leaves, senna leaves and lobelia leaves. So the adulterants, these are most important. In digitalis, comfrey leaves. In belladonna leaves, Phytolacea americana. In senna leaves, Bombay senna, Mecca senna, Arabian senna. In lobelia leaves, some other adulterants. Okay, so we know that already I had told about the adulterants of belladonna, that is Phytolacea americana. That is the adulterant of belladonna leaves. So dear friends, dear students, dear viewers, all of you prepare well for your pharmacy competitive examinations. All examinations are most important. ESIC, Railway Recruitment Board, Medical Recruitment Board, DI and GPAT 2022 examinations. So we are wishing all the dear friends, dear students and dear viewers for your brightful future and successful examination in our pharmacy field. Prepare well and write all the examination in proper way. Our channel will be helping you in all the academic ways. Okay. So we are wishing once again for your brightful successful future. அருள் பேராற்றல் கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீண்ட ஆயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர்ப்புகள், மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்க. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். அருள் பேராற்றல் இரவும் பகலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் எல்லா தொழில்களிலும் எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் உறுதுணையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழிநடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். We are again wishing you for your successful brightful future and successful GPAT, ESIC, RRB, MRB and Drug Inspector examination in the pharmacy field. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.